Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So to do this operation, slide your icon and search for the icon name settings. Here, go down and search for the display here, and there is adaptive brightness. Yep, and you can turn it off and use your brightness on your level which you want, and it's not gonna be changed. Yep, but if you use auto brightness, as you see, it will be auto in sun or light around the phone. Yep, it will be controlled by your phone. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!